Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Great too? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your numeracy class. Okay. So today we will be taking the first lesson of week number 22. We are almost at the end of our syllabus. Inshallah, in this week we will end our syllabus and then we will start the revision of the topics. Okay. So in today's class, we will be starting a new topic, and the topic name is lines and curves. Okay, now this topic is also included in the unit that we started last week. Can somebody tell us the name of the unit? The unit name is geometry, right? We are discussing the geometrical shapes. We have also discussed the patterns, and we have also discussed the yes, about the 2D shapes, different types of shapes, and etc. etc. Now, in the last whole week, we have discussed all the shapes in detail every day. What are the characteristic features of it? How many sides does it have? Are those sides equal or not in length, right? Similarly, we have also discussed that how many corners do they have, about their size. Is it available in small size or large size? And we have also discussed their examples as well, right? So in today's class we will also discuss something which also comes under the category of the geometry, but it is not a closed shape. These are open shapes basically, right? Now let's see what is the difference between line and curve. Now a line is something which is straight. This does not mean that it should be in this direction. It can be in this direction, it can be in this direction, right? It can be in any direction, but it should be a line, right? Then the second thing is curve. A curve is something which is in bended form. This is a curve. This is also a curve. Another curve, right? So curves are not. Now if we find the difference between the two, we can say that a line is straight and a curve is not straight, right? Now, let me give you another example. Do a little activity. Practice this at your home after the school. What you are supposed to do that you will take a small piece of thread, okay? Then after that, hold it in your hand. Consider it as a piece of thread, okay? Now see when I have hold it in this manner, when I has hold it tightly between my two hands, it's a straight line. Now it can be in this direction, it can be in this direction, it can be in this direction, right? The second thing is curve. When I'm holding it tightly, it's a line. When I lose it, it's a curve. Okay. This is an activity. You can practice it with anything. You can take a piece of string, you can take a piece of thread and then practice it with that. When we hold two ends of it tightly in our hands, it's a line. And when we lose it, it's a curved line. The first one is straight line and the second one is curved line, right? And the second thing I have told you is that straight lines can be in any direction, like I have drawn some in front of you. And how we can draw this, you will be taking a ruler, right? A measuring ruler that all of you have in your geometries. You will place a ruler like this on a piece of paper, right, on your copies. Then from starting end and ending point, just put 2 points and then match them. So it would be a straight line. Like I have drawn all these lines in front of you without a ruler, right? But they are straight. And what is curve? A curve can easily be drawn like this, right? All of those which are not straight are curved lines. Now here are some few points which are written on your book about the straight line. It says that vertical or standing. Straight lines, what are straight lines? They can be vertical or standing, like the edges between two walls. What are the edges? Edges are the corners of two walls, of the walls, right? So they are like the corners, like the edges, right? That they are straight and they can be vertical. Now what is vertical? Vertical is this direction. This is vertical. The edges of the walls are like this, right? The second they say is horizontal or sleeping. Now this is vertical or standing. This is horizontal or sleeping. Why it is sleeping? Because it is in lying direction, right? And like the edges between a wall and a floor. Now it looks like the edge between the wall and the floor, which is on the ground, right? Oblique or sloping like a ladder leant against a wall. Now this is oblique or sloping like we place a ladder against a wall. Consider it as a wall and we have placed this ladder over here. So this is oblique. This is horizontal and this is vertical. Got it? Do you get all the points? Any confusion? Okay, now I'm going to share the screen with you. We will watch an interesting video related to this together about the shapes, which will help us revise all the previous shapes as well and about the line and curve, and then we will move forward. Okay, is my screen visible? Good.
Ooh, hey, hey. Hey you are. Hello everyone. Today we're gonna talk about shapes and learn how to draw them. So come, let's practice and learn about shapes. Enjoy. Square. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. That's a square. 1, 2, 3 sides, and that's a triangle. That's a circle with one stroke. Yes? Come on. Alright. That is a circle. That has too many sides. 5, 6 sides. That's a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's a pentagon. 5 sides. Oh, that's a sign. What sign is that? Let's learn. It's not easy to make. Yes. Another stroke. Come on. Yes. Try again. Oh, yes. That works. Yes. And yes. That's a peace sign. Oh, that one is easy. A one stroke. That's a oval. That's an oval. That's easy too. It's like a D upside down. That's a semicircle. That's a one stroke, a line. This one has 4 sides, but it's not a square. What is it? It's a rectangle. Oh, that's interesting.
Okay, so we have revised all the shapes together. Now let's do some practice exercise on your book. So all of you, please open your book, page number 110. This is page number 110. There are very interesting activities on this page. The very first activity says that there are 3 shapes which are being drawn in front of you. You are supposed to draw these shapes, but there are some instructions that you are supposed to follow. What are those? The first one is that you are supposed to draw all the lines which are vertical. What does vertical means? These lines. These are vertical. You're supposed to draw these with blue color. What color? Blue color. Okay. Then all the horizontal lines with red color. What does horizontal mean? This. You are supposed to draw all these with red color. And the third instruction is and the oblique lines with green. Oblique are these. These with green color. These are the instructions that you are supposed to draw all these pictures on your notebooks by using these three colors. What are the colors? Blue, red, green. Draw all the vertical with blue, all the horizontal with red, and all the oblique with green, and then create shapes out of it. Got it? Okay. This is your home assignment. You will be doing it, okay? Now, the second is point X and Y are joined together by a straight line and a curved line. Now, there are 2 points. This is point X, this is point Y. Okay, let me draw it for you on the board. Look at the board carefully. There are 2 points. This is X, this is Y. Now, there are two methods that we can join these points. One through this straight line, and the other is through the curved line. Now the shortest distance between the 2 point is a straight line. Now when you measure this straight line and this curved, this straight distance would be smaller. You can see it, right? That this is the smaller distance, but this is long, right? So the shortest distance, this is a tape. What is the tape? That the shortest distance between the 2 points is straight line. Got it? Now, then there is another exercise. It says that there are three roads between Newtown and Clubtown. There are two towns. Newtown, this is Newtown, and this is Clubtown, right? And it says that there are three roads between it, okay? So one going through the sport club, there is one which starts from here, going from the sport club, we reaches Club Town. The second one is we start from here, going through the post office, we reach there. And the third is straight. You are supposed to measure the distance of all of it. So take out your measuring rulers. First, you will measure the distance of the straight line, then measure this and this. And then tell me what are your measurements. Hurry up. Take out your rulers and measure the distance between the new town and Club Town. Yes. All of you are done? Show it to me. Very good. Yes, Elise? Excellent. Wonderful. Okay, class. So that was all for today. But we have done a new topic that is about line and curve. Do practice it at your home and do the exercise as well in which you are supposed to use the three colors. I'll be seeing it tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.